first show you the simplest way to play this song, and it's not the full song on guitar, but I'm going to teach it. If you want to hang around and learn more and more intricacies of this song, but the first way we're teaching is very simple. We're going to start with an open E, and then we're going to put our first finger on the 3rd fret, and then our 3rd finger on the 5th fret. So let's work on that a few times. Now we're going to go back down and we're going to add some rhythm to it. Down. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and a 4. Dum, bum. And that's it. Hi, hey, hey, hey. Yeah, yeah. Boom, boom, boom. And it just goes on. You can play all day like that. So congratulations, you just learned your first blues song. Now I'm going to give you a demo on how you can play this, but of course you're probably going to want to slow it down, and we'll play it a little easier, and I'll show that in a minute. 3 and 4 and 1, 2. And I'm throwing in a little rhythm, and isn't that what blues is about? It's rhythm and blues. So we're getting a little beat. I'm doing a big palm mute, finger mute. E, G, A, and back to E. Now you're probably going to be slower, but the main thing is to get that beat, and I'll play it slower. Now just that time I just droned on that E. So you can get that down. You got to know those 3 chords. That's all it takes, is guys, is 3 chords. And there's 3 chords you better know anyway, because they're the 3 biggest chords on guitar, basically. Now you can also, when you're playing that E on the upstroke, you can. And then at next verse, you throw some juice. And just have a lot of fun with it. That's what it's all about. Now you've learned some cool techniques. Now we're going to move on to the riff part of the call and the answer. Is another thing that's big in old school blues. Call and an answer, and it's so cool. We got to learn 4 licks. You can only learn 1, but we're going to learn 4 easy licks, very easy. So don't let that intimidate you. We'll get on it right now. And riff number 1. That's the first part of it. So we're going to start with our 3rd finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. We're going to slide it up to the 4th fret. Let's try that a few times. Now with the 2nd string, with our 2nd finger, we're going to play our 3rd fret. Notice how, since we're playing with our 3rd finger, our 2nd finger fits real handy on that 2nd string, right where it needs to be. And it sets us up for the following note after that. So let's try that. You can play it either way, either staccato or you can keep it smooth. You might recognize that, but we're going to slide it. Now we go to the next part of it, third string with our first finger. How handy that's there because we used our third finger to start this riff off with. So that's on the 2nd fret, 3rd string. Let's play that a few times nice and slow. And let it off too. Do it a couple of times. Get up to speed. Play it, you don't have to go fast on this. So let's keep going down from there. Now, we're going to do to the 4th string. That's the whole lick. Now, let's tie that in with the call and the answer. Lick number 2. Simple, simple, simple. It's 2 strings, the 4th string and the 3rd string. We'll start with the 2nd finger, 4th string, 2nd fret, open, 3rd on the 2nd fret. Everything's done with my 2nd finger. You can also mute it. Partial. Not nothing to it. The next one, I'm playing acoustic guitar today. It's a hard bend. I'm going to slide it up instead of bending that, because that's hard to bend right there next to the note of the guitar. Not on electric, but it is on acoustic. So we're going to start with our 3rd finger, and we're going to slide it up to from the 2nd fret to the 3rd fret, and just hold it there. That's on the 3rd string, 4th string. So now you have lick number 3. And kind of do a repeat on number 4. It doesn't, I mean, you can come up with anything you want to. It's about improvisation. So, again.